Join over 250,000 happy students worldwide. Imagine being able to sit down at a piano and just play ballads, pop, blues, jazz, ragtime, even amazing classical pieces. Now you can, and you can do it in months, not years, without wasting money, time and effort on traditional piano lessons. Pianoforall is one of the most popular online piano courses online and has helped over 250,000 students around the world achieve their dream of playing beautiful piano for over a decade. Now it's your turn to be the life and soul of the party. Of the courses I've seen online on how to play the piano, I'm sure this is one of the best ones. Yamaha-keyboard-guide.com. Learn piano on any device, with an amazing series of step-by-step lessons. Piano for all. It is specially designed to take complete beginners to an intermediate level faster than any other method. You start with popular rhythm-style piano. Think of artists like Lennon and McCartney, Elton John, Billy Joel, Barry Manilow, Lionel Richie, Coldplay, Norah Jones and more, which means you get to sound like a pro right from the start. You then expand step by step into ballad style, blues, jazz, ragtime, improvisation and creating your own melodies. You will even learn how to read music as you learn how to play by ear, and eventually you will be able to play some amazing classical pieces. Why piano is not usually explained in the manner that Pianoforall teaches is completely beyond me. Bob Bowen, Arkansas. Who is Pianoforall for? Whether you can't play a note, or you play a bit but want to improve, or maybe you play another instrument and want to diversify, or if you can read sheet music but can't play by ear, or even if you want to teach others, Pianoforall is the method for you. Click the link down below for more information.